Hello and welcome to the DJI Neo Drone video. Now, the keen eye, you will notice that I'm not in that particular field or six fields like I usually am. I'm here in Thorpe Wood, which is in Thorpe Thewles. And yeah, today's video is all just about flying the drone, having a bit of fun. It's woods, so I'm flying in woods again. If you've seen the wood video that I did previously, where I was flying it around a bit anxious, so this is my second attempt. I'm flying it somewhere a bit different, a bit more open. I'm also going to be flying it over in a place called Grindon, which is about half a mile or so away from here. There's some old ruins of an old church there that I really want to see, so I'm going to film that as well. And possibly, if I can, I'll film some drone footage of the old train station that's not too far away from here as well. So if you want to watch all that, then stay tuned, and here it is. So hope you enjoyed that little DJI flying video for you. Yeah, I was in Thorpe Thewles. There's the old train stations down there, and I went to Grindon, which is not too far away from here, to film some ruins I couldn't get to last time because I didn't have a drone and you couldn't get in the field. So I took the advantage of the lovely DJI Neo to fly over, take a little bit of footage, which you've already seen in the video. But yeah, I thought I'd fly a little bit around the wood area. I got a bit anxious around some parts of it. I was hitting twigs and stuff and I didn't want to lose it. I think there's like a little stream down below. So I just did a little bit around there. And then obviously the old train station at Thorpe Thewles itself. I did some different angles there for you. But this little area is excellent for just going for walks. And obviously you can fly your drone around the woods if you're a professional. Unfortunately I'm not, so I'm just sort of a bit cautious when it comes to these sort of things. It's obviously you can see the trunks of the trees easy enough on the actual screen. Someone said that they use like an iPad, which would be ideal, just a bigger screen just to see the smaller details, because obviously around here, for instance, you've got all these big thick sort of trunks, so you could fly around in those and that wouldn't bother me so much. But it's when you get to sort of things like this, where there's these really sort of thin twig like branches that you don't actually see until like last minute, and if that gets in the propellers, it stops the propeller and then it drops. And obviously, as I say, there's like little pools and streams down there, and I didn't really want it to get it into those. So yeah, it's great little area. You've got all sorts of different history in this place. There's a little pillbox from World War II. I've been in that. Check out my videos on the Saturday videos. I've been inside that, and there's a couple dotted around here as well. The old train station up here, or along this sort of line, was where the train used to come and then go all the way, I think, to Sunderland, I believe. But yeah, it was just a nice little day, sunny, to get out with a drone and get flying. And obviously here you've seen the ruins, the woods, and as well as the train station. So if you've liked this, give us a like. Let us know in the comments how you're getting it with your drone. It's fantastic to see how many people around the world are watching my videos. There's people in Texas, there's people in Japan, obviously the UK, America, and Europe as well. And it's just fantastic. Blows my mind. There's so many cool people out there watching my videos. Anyway, hope you're all well. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next drone video. Bye bye. So I've got a long walk home now. The pub's right there. I could go in for a nice cool pint, but instead I've got to walk about 45 minutes to get back home. Anyway, don't forget to check out my other drone videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.